We're here in Pahrump, Nevada. It's gonna be our first stop right here. Alright, so Blackjack this year is doing 50% off everything and an additional 25% off at checkout when you sign up for the membership, which is just email and phone number. Doesn't cost anything. And guys, that is not the same as 75% off, so don't get fooled by that. They got Red Zone, Holy Nishiki, Raccoon, Smoke and Mirrors. This is King Dragon. What's this? Sniper. Ghostacular. Light Entertainment, Neon Shells. Ninja Pyro. Neon Assassin, Ninja Assassin, and Excalibur. What up, Pyros? They got a special going on today, 65. Usually it's 50% off, but today, 65% off. It's June 30th. So they're probably doing last minute deals to clear their inventory. We're here at Phantom. Guys, the prices are actually good today. Area 51, same owners as Blackjack, so but they might have different products. Happy 4th of July, everyone. We just got back from Pahrump, Nevada. We went to all 4 stores, so we got a little bit of everything. Blackjack, Phantom, Area 51, and Red Apple. Let's see. So this one is for my coworker. Safe and Sane, all fountains. Nice little assortment. Got a bunch of fountains. Right, these are legal. And then we got the Raging Rottweiler, 20 shot. Brother Regal, 16 shot. And this was free. King Tut. Got some rockets, of course. Fat Splat. And then we got Big and Bad, 12 shot right there. Some Roman candles, of course, 3 packs of them. We got the color pearls. We got the crackling candle. And then just a 10-ball Roman candle. All right, and these are some Morning Glories. Of course, we got some, let's see here, some spinners, apple bombs, super ground, some spinners, some mini crackling balls, and some neon spinners. Oh. Let's see, Wild Hunger. This is, how many shot is this? I do not know how many shot that is. But we got Wasabi. There is 2 500-gram cakes in here. It's really nice breaks. And this year we're going with the 12-pack Giant Panda, which are 60-gram artillery shells. Last but not least, Radiant Orbs, 16 shot.